Happy with that? Oh, he just powers past. Oh, I got the cone. Right, to the touch with the hand. Oh, it's not even hot, mate. Ah, yeah, I don't know, it's a little bit hot. Right, guys, what have we got today? We have a highly modified XRT, Super RT. Here it is. Build attention, build attention. Look at the size of that motor. This is the new Hobbywing censored system, 1100 kV with the Max5, the monster motor. It is ginormous. We've got cheapy eBay mount. We've got a nice, can't probably see it, ESC mount in there. Bit of on gears, so they will last better than some of the other rubbish we've had on some of the trucks. We're going to give it a go. We're going to compare it to the standard truck. If you watched our channel, you'll see we put the older 1100 in the X-Max, and that was crap. It was just too much horsepower. But censored should be better. We don't know. Let's see. Slow speed is fine. Go on, give it some beans.
If you hardly any throttle, no problem.
Here we go.
So I stop.
Oh, plenty of brakes.
Can drive slow.
Yeah, that's boring though.
You haven't got to get on it much though, and it really starts the motor. That was, I'd say, half throttle at most.
Yeah, that looks a handful.
Yeah, I'll be gearing it down, I reckon.
Here we go. There's a big accident in that.
Oh yeah, this is dangerous now. Look at the front tyres.
Was that half throttle, full throttle?
I'd say half.
Come on, let's have another drive by. Oh, he saved that.
That was a bump, it wasn't even brakes.
No, I know.
I'm going to try a little bit of going around the track. Oh, power understeer.
Well, that's quite controllable.
Yeah, it's better than your X-Max was.
Here we go, standard straight. He won't be able
Still
to
don't rate the standard turbo much. Oh, power. Yeah, you got to really wait for it to turn. Hold on.
Oh, mine's just so underpowered. I'm flat out. Oh, corner there.
The servo, honestly, this is... I don't know what's going on with my servos these days, but I can't turn. And that's not the motor's fault, it's just... I'd say it's relatively drivable. Just respect the straight.
Oh. So the red truck is standard motor, blue is modified, standard straight. Oh, he just powers fast. Oh, I got the cone.
Well, I suppose you ought to really have a go. You are experienced with crazy machines.
What about that?
Give you feedback on that.
Oh, I can remember driving vehicles like this. It's just the horsepower comes in sight. Understeer. Oh, it's good fun. Perhaps not particularly quick to race around our track, but...
No, it's not really suitable to our track, but it is actually...
Here we go, one more down. Here we go.
Good fun. Oh, I'm taking out all the cones. It's funny, I'm planting yours full power for like some time, so... Oh. Sorry.
You can have it back. That's
What?
hard work.
Can we say gentle? I'm going to fix these cones.
Yeah.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, happy with that?
Clearly the brakes need to come down a bit. Oh.
The standard truck is so much easier to drive. Oh, I'll still get a cone. I'll slow down a bit for you to catch up. Here we go. I can just hear it tearing up the ground.
Oh.
Oh, I might have got
I'm fighting more the handling than the power. Oh, and the cones, obviously.
It is
challenging, but I don't think it's too bad. I think I can live with it. Keep going for a minute. Oh.
Here we go. I'll let him go in front. Oh, he's just carving up the ground.
Ah, not the most precise.
Just,
that's the problem.
I'm not quite sure what
struggling
racing
with
line that was.
Neatness. And the thing I'm standing on is ruined. Someone's messed it up.
There we go. It is just the problem with having too much power, it just stands up on itself.
Well, let's see about the temps.
When you've got too much horse, it just stands on the rear wheels.
Yep.
It's just
it's a tricky one. It's tricky to drift.
Right, to the touch with the hand. Oh, it's not even hot, mate. Ah, yeah, I don't know, it's a little bit hot. What's it at?
66 centigrade. Read yours for comparison. I'm almost certainly going to gear it back to 20. I've got a 20 pinion coming, so I'll pop it back to that, because this is clearly way more than you'd ever want. And
can you get on the can? Were you taking it on the heat sink or the can?
The can, actually. I can't really get to your can. I think
yeah,
that's there.
Can there.
60.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I think you need to, as you say, limit your throttle.
Yep.
Because it still comes in quite aggressively. You're coming out of this hairpin and you just try and do, and it is smoother than the
but it's still too much.
It's too much, and it wheelies, and then of course you lose all your steering.
Yes.
So then, this ain't my truck, so I don't really care about it. It was a bit of a handful though. This motor, it's got monster amounts of horsepower, as we expected, and it is more drivable being censored, but I'm not sure how drivable. So we've got a few things we are going to try. There are some settings that we can play about with, both on transmitter, speedo, and on the ESC. So we've got a few things that we can try, but it's just got huge amounts of horsepower. We won't even flat out down the straight, so we don't know what top speed it does, and we're going to change the gearing. So click on the subscribe button and you'll see some more videos with the blue truck getting this new Hobbywing system sorted out.